In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in automatically using saved passwords on Brave browser. If you frequently log into websites and want a faster, more convenient browsing experience, Brave browser includes a built-in feature that can automatically sign you in using your saved passwords. This helps save time and reduces the need to manually type your login information every time you visit a website. To get started, open the Brave browser on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on how your computer is set up. Once the browser is fully open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the menu icon with the 3 horizontal lines. After the menu appears, select Settings to access the browser's main configuration page. This area allows you to customize different Brave features related to security, privacy, browsing behavior, and password management. Inside the Settings page, look toward the left-hand side and select Privacy and Security to access your saved password settings. This is where Brave stores login credentials that you previously allowed the browser to remember. Managing these settings properly can make signing into websites much quicker and more convenient. Now, look for the option labeled Auto Sign-In or Automatic Sign-In. Once you locate it, toggle the setting on to enable the feature. After this option is activated, Brave will automatically use your saved passwords to sign you in to supported websites whenever you visit their login pages. In some cases, you may also see additional settings related to sign-in behavior. Depending on your preference, you can review those options and customize how Brave handles automatic sign-ins. For example, some users may prefer to confirm sign-ins before the browser logs in automatically, while others may want the process to happen instantly without prompts. With automatic sign-in enabled, Brave can quickly fill in your saved credentials, helping you access websites more efficiently while reducing repetitive typing. This feature can be especially useful if you regularly visit email accounts, work platforms, streaming services, or other websites that require frequent logins. As always, make sure your computer remains secure and protected, especially if you are using saved passwords on a shared device. Keeping your browser secure helps protect your accounts and personal information. And that's all you need to do to sign in automatically using saved passwords on Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.